Exercise has numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits, which include physical benefits. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular exercise strengthens the heart, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. 2. Weight management. Exercise helps control body weight by burning calories and improving metabolism. 3. Increased strength and endurance. Builds muscle mass and enhances endurance, making daily tasks easier. 4. Improved flexibility and mobility. Stretching exercises and movement can increase range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. 5. Bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like walking or lifting weights help increase bone density and prevent osteoporosis. 6. Better immune function. Moderate exercise boosts the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. 7. Better sleep. Regular activity can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Reduce stress and anxiety. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, which act as natural mood elevators. 2. Improve mental clarity. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing focus, memory, and cognitive function. 3. Boosted mood and self-esteem. Regular exercise can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety and improve self-confidence. 4. Enhanced brain